Hello friends, I'm Dr. VK Jain, plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Mumbai. So I have made this channel about plastic surgery awareness and making people feel what plastic surgery is all about, letting them know and understand. Please, if you like the content of this channel, please do like and subscribe. So today I'll be talking about what plastic surgery is all about. Plastic surgery is a branch of general surgery in which we use the principles of plastic surgery which we are taught just like a neurosurgeon or cardiovascular thoracic surgeon, and we use those principles to make sure that we can either reconstruct a patient really well or we can give a good cosmetic results. So ideally a plastic surgery involves reconstructive surgery and cosmetic surgery. Sometimes they are interchangeable. So now I'll be talking about what is reconstructive surgery. As you know, most of the people know that plastic surgeons do cosmetic surgery. So now I'll be talking about reconstructive surgery, in which we reconstruct the lost part or the part which are congenitally absent. So now I'll be talking about pediatric plastic surgery. You must be wondering what pediatric plastic surgery is all about. Some people have kids with joint fingers, that is called syndactyly. There might be extra toes or extra fingers, that is called polydactyly. Some kids are born with the inherited problem of lip being open and open from here. The nose also is shaped, that is called cleft lip and cleft palate. For this, plastic surgery is required, in which plastic surgeons make sure they reconstruct and get back the kid back into the society normally. Then there is burn surgery. Burn surgery is what? Taking care of patient who is burned severely or less even, making sure the wound heals really well and is reconstructed whenever required. The contractures, the contractures or the scarring is bare minimum. Then comes microsurgery. What is microsurgery? Microsurgery is using of flaps in which we connect the blood vessel to blood vessel, and sometimes where there is entire cancer is removed, the tumor is removed from your jaw, and then we reconstruct using a flap a part of your body, either the bone, either the mass, or the muscle or the skin, to reconstruct the part of your body which has gone because of tumor. That might be your breast, that might be a part of your leg, that might be a part of your head, neck or face. A lot of females because of cancer lose their normal breast, so we have to make sure that we reconstruct the breast and create the confidence back to them. Then very important part is diabetic foot surgery also. So when people, diabetes is a very common condition in which a major complication is diabetic foot. Diabetic foot is life threatening, and a lot of time people have to lose their limbs also. So we as plastic surgeon make sure that we do limb salvaging, limb saving surgery, and make sure the patient is rehabilitated by skin grafts, by adequate debridement, putting flaps, so the patient can go back to his work, his society, the society where he's staying. He can be rehabilitated as soon as possible, and try to decrease the amputation as least as possible. Now plastic surgeons are involved in chronic wound healing and wound healing process, in which we make sure the wound heals nicely, the scarring is less. We might have required to put flaps and skin grafting. So skin grafting is a very common condition which people know about. As plastic surgeons are also known as problem solving surgeons. When everyone gives up, that's where plastic surgeons are called on to make sure that they heal the wound and make sure the patient is rehabilitated as soon as possible. Now comes the aesthetic part. The aesthetic part which people are a lot aware of, cosmetic surgery. So basically cosmetic surgery involves a lot of parts. It can be cosmetic surgery of face, in which nose job is there, facelift is there, your upper eyelid surgery is there, your hair transplant is there, hair loss therapy is there, your chin implants, your maxillofacial surgery is there. Then comes plastic surgery of the body, in which breast is a very important thing. We as plastic surgeons are involved in gynecomastia surgery, removing the breast lumps to non-cancerous breast lumps. Then breast reduction, breast tightening, mastopexy, and breast reconstruction. So overall we can be called as breast surgeons also. There are a lot of people, plastic surgeons, who are doing exclusively only breast surgery. Now comes the plastic surgery of the abdomen, where abdominoplasty is there, liposuction is there, where we remove the excess fat. If there is loose hanging skin, we try to remove the excess skin. There is post-bariatric weight loss. There is excess skin which has to be removed. Then we can do the plastic surgery of your limbs, somewhere brachioplasty or liposuction of your upper arms. A lot of females have excess fat over their arms here. Then liposuction of the thigh, calf implants, rejuvenation of your hand. Lipofilling can be done. Lipofilling is removal of the fat through your liposuction and it back in your body where it is required. So basically plastic surgeons are involved in a lot of things. This is the cosmetic surgery part of it. Then cosmetology comes. Cosmetology is somewhere called as PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy, dermal fillers, Botox, small wart removals. So these are all part of plastic surgery. In my future videos, I'll be talking about cosmetology as well as cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery is a surgical intervention, cosmetology are non-surgical intervention. I'll be talking about each body part including face, breast, your upper limb, your lower limb, your abdomen, and slowly I'll be explaining you about everything. I'll be talking about the myths and facts about plastic surgery, how you can get away with plastic surgery and how you can go safe in plastic surgery. I'll be talking about lot about plastic surgery. Please do like, subscribe and share, and this will help you to know and enlighten and broaden your knowledge about plastic surgery. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.